Today I'm going to show you how to cut out an image and place a new background in Adobe Photoshop. First let's remove this background of the model. So let's open your lasso tool from the toolbar. And create a loose selection around the subject. Now with the selection active, go to Select. And open your Select and Mask window. Open the Properties panel. Under the View, select Overlay. Then drag the opacity slider all the way to 100%. Select your Refine Edge Brush tool. And just paint on the outside of the model, or areas where the background is peeking through. Now let's go back to this Properties panel. From this drop-down menu, choose Layer Mask. Then press OK. Now let's zoom the image. You can see here that the model has no background, and you can also see here that her hair is well selected. Next, let's put a new background here by going to File. Place Embedded. Then place your new background. Adjust the size and position. Hit Enter once you're satisfied. Now drag the new background, and drop it below the subject or layer 0. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.